Radio RPC 1028 at active runway ready for takeoff.
1028, may takeoff 17.
May takeoff 17 RPC 1028. Brakes, heels on the floor, applying full power, aircraft in motion, RPM stable, engine instrument on green, suction gauge on green, airspeed is increasing, 40, 50, 60, rotate, stop brakes. Radio RPC 1028, airborne 17 for full stop.
108, report downwind.
Report downwind 17 RPC 1028. Continue climbing to 700. Approaching 300 feet. At 300 feet, flaps up, landing lights off. Continue climbing to 700 feet. Maintaining runway heading. 700, 350, rolling out. Radio RPC 1028, establish downwind 17 for full stop.
108, report base.
Well, report base 17 RPC 1028.
Check mo sa power mo, ha?
Yes, Cap.
Okay ka lang?
Okay lang po, Cap. Maintaining 350, maintaining 700 feet. Beam threshold, airspeed in white arc, flaps 10, landing lights on. Maintaining 350.
London Radio RPC 1884 at run up air request to taxi to holding point 17.
1884, taxi and hold hotel 2.
Taxi and hold hotel 2 RPC 1884.
Beam white roof, left center right clear, banking 15 degrees to the right, next heading 080, maintaining 700 feet. Approaching 080, rolling out. Flaps 20. Radio RPC 1028, establish base 17 for full stop.
108, that 17.
Mainland 17 RPC 1028. Beam warehouse, left center right clear, banking 15 degrees to the right, next heading 170, power to 17. Flaps 30.
Radio RPC 1886 at ramp, good morning.
Stand by.
Stand by RPC 186.
Alpon, taxi and hold the bin terminal. Congrats, Alpon.
Thank you, Cap. Thank you po.
Thank you, Captain, for giving me.
Congrats, bro.
Thank you po.
Junior RPC 1886, trap, good morning.
Oh, 86, morning, go ahead.
Junior RPC 1886, engine start up complete and request taxi to run up air front of 6.
86, remove,
Say again, sir.
May 170, 297,
2970 and my 170 news, my taxi to run up area 186, Medyo Carbon, sir, name.
8 hours tulog niyan.